So the accessory pillows are designed to be used at the specific instruction of your healthcare provider. Whether it's the crescent-shaped pillow or the comma pillow, both of these can fit nicely either under or behind the shoulder carrier to create a much more comfortable position so that the arm doesn't try to fall back, which is always a problem for those who have just had shoulder surgery. So this is the crescent-shaped pillow, or the half-moon accessory pillow, which is designed to increase abduction, or how much the arm comes away from the body. There's Velcro tabs on the back of the pillow. It just fits perfectly. If your healthcare provider wants additional external rotation, then these can be stacked. The comma-shaped pillow can be used independently if you don't need any additional abduction, but you do need some additional external rotation.